My name is Marie Merouz, and I'm founder and CEO of Marbotic. Marbotic is a very unique learning program that has wooden manipulatives, letters and numbers, and a very engaging learning app for kids aged 2 to 5, and really kickstarts them to start to read and count. We have been signed up on Amazon Launchpad, I think it was 2016, so it was pretty early. When we entered Launchpad, we could really see the difference, just views of the product, because there were a section on the home of Amazon saying discover these new products that are designed by innovative startups. And this really brought a lot of awareness to our products. I would say at least we doubled the views on the product and the sales when we were on Launchpad. We've been using lots of tools that are offered by Amazon Launchpad program. We've had A+ pages, we've had Vine programs, we've had deals. We were in contact with people for logistics reasons. And recently we've been using the ad coaching services where you can have access to a person that helps you structure your ad campaigns and enhance your acquisition on Amazon. My favorite features is really A+ pages, because having videos inside your product pages and being able to storytell on the bottom of the page is really powerful. The growth of my brand on Amazon, for me, really the key word is globalization. Because we're based in France, we're a French startup. And from the beginning, there was this vision that we can create a global company wherever you're located. You don't need to be in London, you don't need to be in Silicon Valley. Amazon has really kickstarted our global presence. So the three words I would use to describe Amazon Launchpad would be visibility, exclusivity, and global. If a business is asking to apply to Amazon Launchpad, we say go for it. There's lots of benefits and you have nothing to lose.